Doors, I'm a fool for your love.
दोस्तों, तो मैं आशीष सर से मिलने जा रहा हूँ। मुझे उनका एड्रेस मिल गया है। अब मैं उनके घर जा रहा हूँ और मैं उनसे पूरी रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि वो मुझे भी इंग्लिश सिखा दें जैसे उन्होंने पिंटू को सिखाई है। सर, गेट खोलिए सर। आशीष सर, हु इज़ देयर? हु इज़ ऑन द डोर? सर, मेरा नाम मोनू है। मुझे आपके बारे में सर पिंटू से पता चली थी। ओह पिंटू, ही इज़ वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट स्टूडेंट्स। सो हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू? व्हाट कैन आई डू फॉर यू? सर, मैं आपकी तरह और पिंटू की तरह इंग्लिश बोलना चाहता हूँ। सर, ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती, मुझे इंग्लिश आती है सर। लेकिन सर, जब मैं बोलता हूँ तो मुझसे बोला नहीं जाता। समझ में सब आता है, सब कोई जैसे कोई भी मुझसे इंग्लिश में बात करे तो सर मुझे सब समझ में आता है। लेकिन जब बोलने की कोशिश करता हूँ तो सर सिट्टी विट्टी गुल हो जाती है और मुझसे बोला ही नहीं जाता सर। डोंट वरी मोनू, यू आर नॉट ओनली वन हु हैव द प्रॉब्लम लाइक दिस इन इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग। तो क्या सर मैं इंग्लिश बोल पाऊँगा? व्हाई नॉट? तो सर प्लीज़ मुझे भी आप इंग्लिश सिखा दीजिए ना सर, प्लीज़। सो डू यू वांट टू लर्न इंग्लिश? लेट्स कम इनसाइड। ओके सर, थैंक यू सर। So Monu, now I will ask some questions and you will have to reply me, and using this technique I will get some information about your English. Okay? Okay sir. So Monu, my first question is that what was your mother tongue? Sir, Hindi sir. Okay Monu, now tell me that when you start speaking in your mother tongue, which was Hindi, okay? So when you started in your childhood, did you face any problem or you started with fluency in Hindi? सर, काफ़ी दिक्कत हुई थी। सही से तो नहीं बोला जाता था सर। Absolutely right. Monu, actually when any student start learning English, they start to speak in English, they have to face some problems, but they gave up. You know, most of the students start speaking, they learn how to speak in English, but when they start speaking and they face some problems in speaking, then they demotivated themselves and they left. Okay, they left this area and they give up. They never tried again, and that is a very big thing for everyone. Whenever you are going to learn any other language, if you are learning English, then it is mandatory that you should never give up. You should practice a lot. I hope you will also practice. Okay sir, जब तक सर मैं पूरी तरह से सीख नहीं जाऊँगा तब तक मैं पूरा मेहनत करता रहूँगा सर। Okay Monu, tell me from where you are learning English nowadays? सर, मैं YouTube चैनल देखता हूँ। That's very good. Now Monu, tell me that your English teacher who is teaching you English, how to speak in English, does he teach you in English or Hindi? सर, वो हम लोगों के कंफर्ट के लिए सर वो हिंदी में ही सिखाते हैं ताकि हम हिंदी को समझ के उससे इंग्लिश सीख जाएं। Have you ever seen him speaking in English? सर नहीं सर, वो बोलते हैं लेकिन कभी कभी इंग्लिश बोलते हैं। वैसे तो वो ज़्यादातर हिंदी में ही सिखाते हैं। Okay, now tell me that your English teacher tells you to speak English always, all the time, everywhere? Yes sir. Does your teacher tell you to watch the English movies? Yes sir. Does your teacher tells you to read English books? Yes sir. सर का कहना है कि जैसे मैं इंग्लिश में मूवी देखूंगा, इंग्लिश में गाने सुनूंगा या इंग्लिश की बुक मैगजीन पढ़ूंगा, न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ूंगा, तो सर मुझे इंग्लिश को समझने में हेल्प मिलेगी और मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छी तरीके से इंग्लिश समझ में आएगी। You are absolutely right, my dear. Monu, actually the problem is that if your teacher is saying to watch the movies in English, reading the newspapers and magazines and books in English and listening to music in English, then why is not teaching you English in English? Why he's teaching you English in Hindi? सर वो तो पता नहीं सर। I'm telling you. Actually what happened, your teacher who is teaching you English, he knows English but he also can't speak in English. I think you can guess it by watching the videos that if he is not teaching you in English, he is teaching English but not in English. He is teaching you English in Hindi. That's a funny joke. So Monu, the problem is that they also don't know how to speak, and they are telling you to how to speak in English. And whenever you find the teachers like that, and just leave them, leave the YouTube channel, unsubscribe the YouTube channel. Problem is that they are not teaching you properly. Why? Do you want to know why? they are just having a business on YouTube. They're just spreading the videos and making the videos how to speak in English without speaking in English. So you have just one way that to leave them and join those English videos, those English channels who are speaking in English. That's why when the teachers can speak English, then you can, otherwise you can't. Okay sir. I don't know you noticed or not, but I think you should notice that when you met me first time on the door, when you met me first time, from that time I am just speaking in English to you because I know that you want to speak in English. Have you noticed? Yes sir. सर आप सही कह रहे हैं, जब से आप मिले हैं सर, जब से आप इंग्लिश में ही बातें कर रहे हैं सर, सही कह रहे हैं आप. So Monu, tell me that all things which I told you in English, did you understood what was I saying? Yes sir. So Monu, it will help you to grow your confidence. It will help you to understand English better. Yes sir. One more thing Monu, don't say yes. Never use this word, because just saying yes doesn't tell you that you can speak in English. Okay, instead of that you can say any other things, and this will help you to increase your English skills. Okay sir. Again okay sir. लेकिन मुझे सर बोलना क्या चाहिए ऐसी सिचुएशन में? Instead of that you can say okay sir, I got it. Okay sir, I understood. Okay sir, it sounds good. Okay sir, it is very good. These little sentences will improve your conversation while you are speaking in English. Okay, so this is for the improvement of your English skills. Okay sir, I got it. Okay Monu, so it is time for my online classes and I think you should go now, and you can come tomorrow on the same time. Okay sir, मैं कल आऊँगा sir. Not only tomorrow, if you want to speak English then you can come here every day. Okay sir, I understood sir. Okay sir, bye sir. Okay, bye Monu. Yes sir, if you leave someone then you should say it's nice to talk to you, it's nice to meet you. Okay, always remember it. Okay sir, it's nice to meet you sir. Me too. दोस्तों, तो कैसा लगा आपको हमारा एपिसोड 2? ज़रूर लिखकर बताएं, कमेंट सेशन में लिखें आपको हमारा ये एपिसोड कैसा लगा।